Life career abilities describe the important behaviors that students should have in order to be successful in careers. In the various projects that students complete, they have an opportunity to demonstrate and receive feedback on the development of these particular skills. In order to assist teachers in giving feedback, whether it is orally or in formal rubrics to evaluate student projects, the Technical Assistance Center has created a database of 100 different student behaviors. Teachers can browse this database in order to select those that would be particularly useful for a specific project or to evaluate students on a broader basis. You can access the Life Career Rubrics database by going to the instruction section of the website, clicking on Life Career Abilities. If you scroll down the page to Measure, there is a link to the Life Career Competencies Rubrics. This opens the full list of rubrics, and you can browse this entire list. Each competency is linked to a specific performance measure and are listed 4 different descriptions of proficiency, moving from beginning to developing to proficient to exemplary. All of the performances are grouped into 17 competencies. This first one is Big Picture Awareness. You can click on the blue icon and it will give you a description. You can scroll through the pages to see and locate any particular competency you are interested in. You can also browse the proficiencies by competency area, select a particular competency area such as communication, and it lists the behaviors that directly relate to the competency of communication. You can also browse by keywords. Click on the keywords and you have a list of keywords that you can browse and link to some of the specific items. The most important function of the database is not just to read the items, but to actually locate items and pull them out for your use. For example, if you are particularly interested in several of these communication proficiencies, you merely click on the check button at the left-hand margin, and you can go through the entire list, check as many as you want. At the bottom of the page, click Review and edit your selections. And you now have from the entire database the few that you have selected. You can clear the selections and start over. You can continue to browse and add to your selection. When you're ready and have a completed list, you can export this into a printed document in PDF form. Merely click on PDF and you have a printed form that could be used for student evaluation with the particular measures that you have selected. If you're interested in having a database that you can edit, you can also export the items that you have selected. Click on the Export in the CSV format, and you can save that file. It will be downloaded into a spreadsheet which you can edit the items, add this to another rubric. We hope that you'll enjoy making use of the Life Careers rubrics to assist you in giving students feedback on the development of these important behaviors.